Look, hello and namaste everybody. Welcome to our channel Virat Science. Today we are going to show an experiment named as floating lemon experiment. The material required for this experiment is 2 glasses, a bottle of water, 2 lemons, a cup of salt, or a spoon. Okay, now let's perform the experiment. Here we have a bottle in which inside which there is a tap water. Now we will put the water in the 2 glasses. We have 2 lemons here. Now what we will do, we will put at first 1 lemon in this tap water. Let us put. Look, you can see that that lemon went downside the water. That means it is sinking in the tap water. And now what we will do is we will put a spoon of salt in this glass. 2 spoon. And now we will put this lemon in this glass. Look, lemon came in the surface. That means it is just floating on the surface. Do you know why this happened? Today I am going to teach you theoretically why this happens. Let us go on the board. Density formula is mass by volume. M means mass, V means volume, and density represented by rho. Here we have written dO, that means density of object. dO means density of object. dO will represent here density of object, and dW here density of water. It means dW will represent density of water. In first glass we put lemon in the water, and that lemon went inside. That means it was sinking in the water. At that time, why this happened, do you know? Look here, dO means here density of object, and dW means density of water. Here dO, that means density of object, is greater. Look, this sign represents greater, that means greater, and this sign represents smaller. That means it is greater and it is lighter. That means density of object is greater than density of water. At that time the object used to sink in the water. That means the object is sinking object. Again, dO represents density of object. That means this sign represents, that means density of object is greater, and this sign represents density of water is less than the object. That's why object is sinking in the water. And now in second glass, what we did, we put 3 spoons of salt and we mix it. And that times what the salt did, salt increases the density of water and the object density is less. At that time the object used to float in water, and the object is called as floating object. Again I would like to tell you, look, in this sign represents it is less, and this sign represents it is greater. That means here after mixing the salt increases the density of water, and density of water when increases, that means the object have less density, and the object which has less density than water, they used to float. That means they are called as floating object. I hope our video may be helpful for you. If it is helpful, please like our video, comment on the video, and share it with your friend. Thank you.